Hi, and welcome to 6680 Daniel Court in Palmetto Point. I cannot wait to show you this amazing home. It is so gorgeous, and it's been completely remodeled. 5,600 square feet of pure modern luxury. Let's go take a look. "6680 Daniel Court is located in beautiful Palmetto Point, which is a waterfront community located in Southwest Florida. Here you'll find deep water, direct access canals. You are just 3 minutes from the river and open water. Perfect for boating. This 5,600 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 2-half-bath home has been completely remodeled from top to bottom. It was gutted in 2021 and completed in 2022, ready for you to move right in. I love the height of these ceilings in this gorgeous, huge living area. It is so perfect for having all your friends gathered to watch a game. It's open to the kitchen, also open to the wine lounge, and the view from these windows is amazing. You're seeing the mangroves, the canal, your pool, the boats. It's all there. It's just a perfect entertaining space. Look at this amazing kitchen. It is so gorgeous. It's so perfect for entertaining. The island is 14 feet long by 6.5 feet wide. The views you have to the outside throughout this open kitchen family room area is just spectacular. It also features a hidden butler's kitchen just off the main kitchen with a sink, a dishwasher, a little beverage fridge, a built-in coffee maker, plus an entire full pantry. I want you to notice all the beautiful details in this home. This seller spared no expense. Notice the wine room, the well thought out and designed laundry room. The primary suite is located on the first level as well as a guest room. Look at how luxurious and beautiful this bathroom is. I want to show you something really fun. Come look at this. Alexa, turn on Greg's shower.
Okay.
Isn't that fun? This is probably the biggest piece of shower glass I've ever seen. It's huge. But how fun is it that she created a wet area for the tub to go and the shower, and then just really treated it as another room in the home with furnishings and a beautiful chandelier that matches the one in the master bedroom. Upstairs, you'll find 2 more guest suites and a huge living area, bonus space. You can use it for a living area, a playroom, a workout room, which is what these homeowners do, but you could also maybe use it for a billiards room. All of the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms, perfect for hosting lots of guests, or if you have a large family, it's perfect for that. Everyone gets their own space. Outside has been completely redone with pavers, the pool was redone, and it's gorgeous. The view from here is across the canal to the preserve where you have complete privacy. It is so tranquil and beautiful out here. Every day you'll see tarpon and manatee and sometimes a dolphin. It's so great to just be out here and have complete privacy and see all this nature surrounding you. Currently, the owners have a 21-foot boat on the lift and a 38-foot boat on their lay-along dock. The water is so deep here, and you have the opportunity to put a very big boat here. With a little bit of modification, you could get an 80-plus foot yacht at this dock. The boats are negotiable, as well as the furnishings in this home. What did you think about this amazing home? Isn't it gorgeous? Can't you see yourself here? Give me a call today, and let's make this dream happen.